my channel, another Sunday meal prep plus a workout. So the way I've been doing these videos is I've been showing you a meal plus a workout that works on a specific body part. So today we're doing the love handles. I got a ton of requests for workouts that help the love handles. So I got you. On today's video, I'm going to show you my chili. It's a healthy chili. It is so good. You can have it if you are trying to lose weight, or even if you just like chili, it's really good. And then another thing I want to talk about in today's video is the new containers that I got. And this way we can meal prep and put everything in. And I'm excited to talk about these when we, scoop everything in and put it in the containers, because a lot of you guys that are in high school and college have been asking me, can you show tips on how to keep food fresh longer? I'm in school all day. I thought it would be great to show these on my channel because after you put the food in the containers, they have ice packs in them. So I just thought, when I saw these, I was like, oh my god, I have to show these on my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started. Okay, so today we're making a healthy chili. If you have a significant other or a friend or a family member coming over, any loved one, make this for them. Honestly, chili is just one of those things, why is this open? I don't know anybody that doesn't like it. Jared is so excited. He's sitting by his door in his office and he's like, when will it be ready? It's just one of those comfort foods that if people are coming over, you're going to be watching TV, why not make chili? And if you can make it healthy, then why not? So we are going to be cutting vegetables and stuff, and I'm not going to make you sit while I cut each one. But I did think I should put in a video how to cut vegetables. I know it sounds so stupid, but I needed to know that when I became really into cooking, and I just thought I didn't know how. I didn't know how to actually cut an onion. I would kind of look at it and be like, I think, and it would be all different weird shapes. You always want to start with clean hands. Always. That's a must. This is my new knife. Finally got a new knife. I got a little set. This stem here, you just cut it right off. And I cut off this side. Then you want to just gently peel. Okay. So then once it's all nice and peeled, you're just going to cut it down the center. And you'll have two halves like this. And we're just gonna let them sit in a bowl of water while we cut the other stuff. That way we don't cry when we're cutting onions, and it also washes them. And so garlic, I cut the same way I cut onions. I'll just take one end here. Do that because garlic is the same as onions. You have to peel it before you cook it. So you cut off the ends, and sometimes it'll be nice and it'll just all unravel. You can just start cutting from there. Okay, so we have our clean onion. I put it face down like that, and I just start cutting slices. And then from there, I just cut all the little slices. So for the chili recipe, we have 1 yellow onion, 1 red pepper, 1 yellow pepper, and garlic. Okay, so now we're all done chopping. We can finally move around again. Usually when I'm chopping, I'm like, So now we're going to be putting all of that in a pot. This is new, but now it has all dishwasher stains on it, so I don't know. I'm going to take olive oil. Doesn't that look gorgeous? I look at that and I'm like, oh my god, I love cooking with color. I just think it looks so beautiful. So now I'm going to start heat. Okay, so what we're doing now is sauteing the vegetables. So that takes around 4 to 5 minutes. And just sit by it, take a spoon, and just kind of move them around. To me, that's perfect. I love it to look just like that. Once that's sauteed, now you add in the ground turkey. And now I just want to break up the turkey so that it's no longer a big block. We want to break it up. Once the turkey is brown and no longer pink, that's when it's done. This is probably the most important thing that you get so that it actually has that chili taste. We're going to add our spices. And I'm just using this spoon. I'm just going to kind of eyeball it. I don't want to do the entire spoon, but some I'm just going to do a little bit. So this is oregano, ground cumin, tiny bit of cayenne pepper, a tiny bit of garlic salt. Add your dark red kidney beans, a little over a cup of chicken broth. And turn it on low heat. You're gonna cover it. Let it simmer for around 35 minutes. If we have to add more, we will. The first love handle workout we're gonna do, lay like this. See how it's crunching here? It's putting some nice pressure all here. And I would do this, see we do this in dance. So it's not like, there's not like a number, like it'll be like 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off. So maybe you could be watching your favorite show and do this in front of the couch or something, or maybe music. You can listen to like half the song if you're at the gym, and then rest half the song. So I'm going to show you from the front and from the side. So from the front, you're going to have this elbow down. The leg that's kicking is going to be the one with the elbow. That way you can see where to kick. It's kind of like a nice hack. You're going to put your elbow down. You're going to kick 1, 2, 3. Once again, do 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Feel that right here. It's going to sting. Just like my booty workout when I showed you guys this, and you guys tried it, and you're like, oh my god. Same thing. You're going to feel it. Plank, hand here, gonna dip down, dip up. Once again, 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off. We are all done. Came out great. So I'm actually gonna have a little bit. The cheese really gives it a unique flavor because it's such a salty cheese that people are like, ooh, what is this? It's sort of my secret ingredient. Okay, so when you're done meal prepping, whatever you make, I like to make a bunch of different things on Sunday. I think I've mentioned that in other videos because we get really bored and can't eat the same thing. I did make some ground turkey, which is in my meal plan, so I'm going to be putting it in containers. They have a bunch of different kits. The one I got is the portion control kit, just because I do like to know, like when I'm scooping out sour cream or something, I do like to know like how much I'm using. So that was the kit I got. You can get all sorts of their kits, but it came with all of this stuff. It's great. So Jared is scooping the turkey in the containers right now, and the great thing about these is since they have the measuring on there, you don't have to go and grab a measuring cup. So it's super quick. If you want to do a cup, all of those that we're using right now are all a cup. So it's super easy and they're microwavable. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my meal plan on my website to get more of my meal ideas, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. I'm teaching Jared how to